to correct others within your capacity. If you think it is very difficult for you to do that, then you can keep away from them to correct others within your capacity. If you think it is very difficult for you to do that, then you can keep away from them and lead a life where you can maintain peace and satisfaction. Understand? Try your best as much as possible. If you come to know they are not working, they are not ready to listen, don't bother. Without harming, without criticizing, without condemning, keep away from them and lead a lonely life, maintaining peace and satisfaction.
Thank you.
Is the mind, can it relax through meditation? Or can we avoid stress through meditation? Thank you.
Meditation. Ayang bhikkhave maggo sattanang visuddhiya. In Satipatthana Sutra, way of mindfulness, the Buddha says, there is only one method in this world that we have to practice, sattanang visuddhiya, to maintain the purity in our mind. Soka paridvanang samatikkamaya, to reduce your worries and fear and suspicions in our mind. Dukkha domanassanang attakamaya, develop the mind to tolerate physical and mental pain and sufferings and disturbances. Jnayassa adhigamaya, for the attainment of sainthood. Nibbanassa satchikiriyaya, attainment of final salvation. Only one method. What is this method? In English we say meditation. But Buddha used the word bhavana. The word meditation does not give the same meaning. Bhavana. Bhavana means development of the mind. Now, education is not the development of the mind. We learn so many things, but no development in the mind. Anger, jealousy, grudge, and ill will and evil thought, all are there. No development. So, in the same manner, meditation means development of the mind by what you call suppressing all the evil, wicked, cruel, harmful things, by cultivating the mind, by concentrating on kindness, compassion, and unity and harmony, understanding, it will become the development of the mind. There is no another method. Scientists cannot contribute anything for that, only meditation. Meditation has no religious label. We cannot say Buddhist meditation, Hindu meditation, Christian meditation, or Muslim. Meditation is meditation. Meditation is just like medicine. We can give any label, but medicine is medicine. Anyone can practice meditation without any religion. Don't try to glorify. Our method is higher than others. Our vipassana is higher than samatha. Samatha is higher than vipassana. They try to glorify and mislead, create misunderstanding. So that is the only method. There's no another method.
Thank you. We have time us on the Buddhist view on the feature of trance. As I have experienced in Christianity, in Islam, as well as Hinduism, people used to fall into trance. Does Buddhism have this sort of feature? Thank you.
I was getting into trouble.
People, they fall into trance, isn't it? So what is your view on this sort of features?
Yes, Buddhism has explained actually. When the five senses are not active with the mind, when the mind stops thinking, creating mental object, then the mind penetrates into subconscious mind. Subconscious mind projects so many things. That is why they behave entirely a different way. Subconscious mind. Neither God or Buddha or anybody else is influencing the mind. Subconscious mind.
Thank you very much, Chief Reverend.
So good health and peace of life to all of you. Thank you.